Hello everyone, my name is Derek Farley and today we're going to be talking about adding products to your WooCommerce page. We're going to start from our WordPress dashboard and we'll come over here to Products, Add Product, and then you come to this page. You can start by giving your product a name. We're going with red t-shirt. You can give a description. It's a handmade 100% cotton red t-shirt. And then here you can input your product data in general. Let's say our shirt costs $12. And if it ever goes on sale, we'll say it costs $8. And you can click schedule to schedule a sale. So let's say we want a weekend sale. We can click Friday, March 26th until Monday, March 29th. And now our product will be on sale for the weekend. Then you come over to the inventory tab. An SKU is basically your product number. So let's say our product is 876. And then you can manage your stock. And we'll say we have 15 shirts. Back orders allows the product to continue to be ordered even if you do not have stock. And our options are do not allow, but the customer is notified, or just allow and the customer doesn't get a notification. We're going to say allow. Then you have stock status, in stock, out of stock. And then sold individually. If you enable this, it will only allow one to be bought at a time. We're not going to enable it. We want to allow as many t-shirts to be bought. And then there's the shipping. You want to make sure you have accurate information, because this will change the price of the shipping. And will cause a lot of problems with your customers if it's not accurate. And then we have linked products. This is linking your product to other products, such as an upsell, which is maybe something more expensive or a better quality that you're trying to convince them to buy. And then we have an attributes. This is about your product. So let's say we add size. So then we could put large, extra large, XL, just as an example. And then you could say the attribute. And then there are advanced options. You can give a purchase note. So, okay, thank you for your purchase. You can also enable or disable reviews. And right here, you want a short description. So this would just be red t-shirt. Then on the right side, you can pick a category. We already have t-shirt, so we can just put t-shirt. And then we can do product tags. So let's say summer wear, cotton, handmade. And now we have all these tags. We can also add an image. As you can see, I have a red t-shirt. So we'll just set the product image. And now we have an image of our shirt over here. You can also add a gallery in case you had more pictures and wanted to show off different angles. And then we would just hit publish. And now we have our first product sale.